Look up tonight, find the moon in the black. It never once turns, it never turns back. Every soul who has lived sees the same worn face. What if that's not luck? What if it's a base? Scientists gave this silence a name, a universe full but nobody came. So loud with the stars, so quiet out there. What if someone's already aware? Maybe they're not gone, maybe they wait, watching from far, kept outside of the gate, like a ranger who studies from a careful lens, close enough to see, too far to offend. Every cage has a rule, none dare to break. Don't tap the glass, don't step inside, not while the ones in the cage still abide. And if you needed a place to stay hidden and still, you wouldn't build new, you'd use what you will. Something with a face that is locked, always the same. Something so old we forgot its name. We call it just nature, we call it just stone. But every window has eyes of its own. Behind the glass, silent and still, watching our moves, learning our will, counting the years, keeping the score. Something already knows what's in store. And here's the part no one wants to face. The rule's not to hide, the rule's not to see. It's don't step in unless given the key. And lately the ones in the cage have grown loud, splitting the atom, reaching past cloud. We built our own fire, we built our own cage. We learned how to leave, we learned how to rage. And those who once let the silence remain might finally decide it's time to explain. The fear was never that eyes were there. The fear is being not worth the care. Ignored is safer than seen too bright. Attention's not comfort, it's only light. And keepers don't clean while the exhibit's asleep. They clean when it's loud, when it's breaking too deep. So what do you do with the truth this old? You can't put back fire once it's cold. You can't unsplit what you've already found. Maybe just be worth letting stay around. So tell me, if they've watched all this time through that one locked face, that silence, that sign, what have they written? What have they seen? Type it below. Make it count. The keepers are taking notes.